Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can text people or send messages to people on TikTok. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your profile by clicking this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then you're gonna have to go to the three lines on the top right corner, and here you will see settings and privacy. We're gonna click that. Then you go to privacy and you need to go to direct messages. So here you go to the permission settings and you can see your potential connections and everybody else on TikTok. So you can choose with either of the categories whether you want to receive the messages or not. So you go to the potential connections and you can either choose to receive the messages in the requests, or you can choose not to receive those messages at all. You need to make sure that these messages are going to be in the requests. The same thing with the others on TikTok. So you need to make sure it's not on the don't receive option. Okay, so then we go back to the profile and we're gonna go to a person, for example this person here, and as you can see here we have the message option, and now you can just send them a message, and if they don't have the don't receive option turned on, they're gonna receive your message. As you can see, they need to have this option turned on, so if the message sending is not successful, it's gonna be the problem probably. Also, if there's a private account, what you need to do first is just to click on follow, and once they accept your request, you are going to be able to send them a message. But first they need to accept your request. Alright, so all in all, this is how to text people or send messages on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.